Canuban Alilem.
Maiden Cynthia Luis Kate Valoria Duras Bantay.
Ana Marie Marquez Busto Ayos Burgos. Karen Nicole Rodolfo Somera Bagnos Cabugao.
Annalyn De Banco Tabutol from the Smart Key City, Canton.
Micaela Shinginyala Pardas Kawayan. Shinzen Marinas Dumalkis The Best Cervantes.
Reyes Star M. Dampulay Guyod Galimuyod.
Jelly Joyan Nayon Naliptak Lidlita.
Raven Arian Viloria Agriman Magsingal.
Mary Rose Dayan Gabayat Taas Dapukel.
Jennifer Lopez Hora na isang sangayan Narvacan. Maybel Jimenez Kapatan Gawis ay Quirino.
Haifa Lorraine Ramat Banat Salcedo.
Charmaine Joy Rabino Nagyango San Emilio.
Kate Jasmine Ramirez Rayray San Esteban.
Cyril Rigona Yu Tegnay San Vicente. Kate Jasmine Villariña Paspas Santa. Katrina Marie Bautista Go 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 Santiago.
Sanaya Lado Sinranay Sigay. Marinel Bayani Completo from the Garlic Center of the North. Sing-isig Sinae.
Ira Gertrude Filomeno Rapisura from the Vegetable Bowl of the North. Ascenso Santa Catalina.
Jairus Chloe Ann Lopez Forward March Santa Cruz. Geraldine Acosta Ranian Santa Lucia. Sanaya Feyes Brito Nauna Santa Maria.
Mary Nathalie Tabancora Arrancada Progreso Santo Domingo.
Shaina Ambrosio Sige Sumpon Sige. Althea Jade Salibad Pugis Napintas Suyo.
Aurora Erno Asap Tagudin.
Austri Sanchez Viva Vegan.
Watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I'll still keep the party running, I won't get out of place. When my heart breaks, when my world shakes, I don't play safe, don't you know about me? I could dance, I could dance, I could dance, dance the night.
Please welcome your hosts, Jasper Tiongson, Angelique Manto, Angelica Maglanok, and Karen Ibasco.
Wow!
Naimbaga Arabi
Ilocos Sur.
Oh my! Such a lovely ladies here seeing tonight. And such a fantastic crowd. Maaari ba namin marinig magingay ang Ilocos Surians natin tonight? Wow! Wow, we are jam-packed tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Eto, partner, my partners pala. Tonight, tingnan natin, fearless forecast muna tayo ngayon. Pakisigaw nga kung sino sa tingin nyo ang magwawagi ng Miss Ilocos Sur 2024. Grabe! Wild! May kanya-kanya mga pambado tonight, di ba? At syempre, damang-dama namin ang enerhiya nyo. Pero while there's competition, ladies, syempre, balita ko, we are one Ilocos Sur. When we say one, pwede mo bang pakisabi, Ilocos Sur, ng malakas, ng malakas. Ladies, 1, 2, 3, one! Yan,
There you go.
Parang kulang pa,
Parang kulang
partner.
pa.
Gusto pa natin ng energy.
One more.
Let's see that.
Let's
Okay.
go.
Okay, on my mark, 3, 2, 1, one! Palakpakan nyo naman ang iyong mga sarili.
Diba? That's the energy.
That is what we need for tonight. And indeed, we are one tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most awaited event of the year, the Grand Coronation Night of Miss Ilocos Sur 2024. Now, everybody, Ilocos Surians and ladies, my dear co-hosts, who are very beautiful tonight, should I say.
As dashing as you look,
Thank you so
Jasper,
much.
of course.
I tried my best because I heard I'll be with beautiful people right here co-hosting with me.
Well,
But kidding
let's start,
aside,
who are you wearing tonight?
I am wearing Ryan, Chris. Let's get to acknowledge
Of course.
those who we are wearing tonight. How about you?
I'm wearing Francis Libiran for tonight.
Wow, looking beautiful.
Wow.
How about you,
How about
Angelique?
you?
I would like to thank my stylist, Aaron Mangsad, for this beautiful gown. Thank you.
And Angelica.
And of course, I'm proud to wear a local designer here in Ilocos Sur, Nixon, or Tajos. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and thank you so much to all of you. Of course, the creativity of the Filipinos at the forefront of every pageant. And of course, tonight, it's not just about crowning a brand new queen. It is actually about honoring the remarkable women of Ilocos Sur.
That is right, Jasper. Ilocos Surian women embody strength, resilience, and of course, power. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, get ready as we witness the culmination of weeks of long preparation. Of course, their steadfast dedication and their sheer talent. And of course, their beauty as we crown the next Miss Ilocos Sur.
We are honestly thrilled to have you all here tonight. Either you're here in person or you're watching us actually live stream.
Hello,
We're having
hello
a
to
live
everybody
stream.
watching us live right now.
Of course. And of course, we are promising you tonight an unforgettable celebration of beauty, grace, and empowerment.
So let's applaud the extraordinary women of Ilocos Sur as we embark on this journey to crown the next Miss Ilocos Sur. Cheers to the women who inspire us, empower us, and make our province proud.
Indeed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we continue our ride through the Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 pageant, I think it's time for us to recognize some exceptional qualities displayed by our contestants. Let's take a moment to give or to announce the first set of special prize awards to those who have stood out in various aspects of this competition. First up, we have the best in casual wear. This award recognizes the contestant who exuded style, confidence, and elegance in her casual attire. And the best in casual wear who will receive a sash, plaque, and 10,000 pesos in cash is... Let's get to find out this one. I love this moment where the ladies are in anticipation as to who's going to be called. But good luck to you all. All right. Who do you think will win this award?
Go and shout for your bets!
Eto na yon. Congratulations to Bantay number 2.
To present the award for Best in Casual Wear, we have Honorable Erickson Singson and Honorable Gina Cordero.
All right, congratulations to our first awardee of tonight. We go to the next because we have a lot tonight.
You know, we're just starting here tonight and look at all these ladies standing. Honestly, we just want to congratulate you as early as now. You know, we're just having special awards, so keep your confidence because we would need it at the end of the competition.
For sure.
Is that okay? All right. Next, we have the title of Miss Congeniality. This award is given to the contestant who has shown exceptional kindness, camaraderie, and sportsmanship throughout the pageant. And Miss Congeniality will receive a sash, plaque, and 10,000 pesos. Who do you think it is?
I think we should ask the candidates. Who will
Right.
it be? Who is the friendliest, most congenial among all of you ladies? I'm pretty sure all of you are loving each other as sisters. But our awardee is...
Our awardee is candidate number 24, Santa Lucia.
To present the award for Miss Congeniality, we have Honorable Efren Rapanan and Honorable Mildred Elaido.
The friendliest amongst them all.
I
But of course, I
know.
know everybody had a fun time.
Of
Just
course.
socializing, building this sisterhood right here in Ilocos Sur,
But
right?
she's the one who was, of course, regarded as the most congenial among the candidates.
Yes, won the hearts of all the ladies right here.
True. And it's not easy to be Miss Congeniality in a competition.
I
Everybody
know.
knows that.
You gotta be a natural, I suppose.
Everybody here is a natural. Everybody here.
All right. Congratulations to you, our Miss Congeniality. I think we got the next award, Angela.
Yes, from Miss Congeniality, we move on to Miss Photogenic. Now, this title goes to the contestant whose beauty shines effortlessly both on and off the camera. And the Miss Photogenic who will receive a sash, plaque, and 10,000 pesos is... Congratulations, Vegan City number 30.
To present the award for Miss Photogenic, we have Honorable Ronnie Rapanut and Honorable Jimboy Singson.
Love that as early as now, we are giving out awards deserved by our candidates. How I wish you could give everyone awards.
Oh yeah, for sure.
To
We love that.
recognize their hard work.
I know, because everybody put, a big fight right here, I know, with their smiles for
Exactly.
sure.
And of
Miss
course,
Photogenic.
congratulations to all our winners. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the winners of our first set of awards.
Right. And we are
Miss Alilem is enchanting us tonight with her mesmerizing emerald green gown to showcase the lush vibrancy. Rafi C. crafted a gown that encapsulates the essence of womanhood for Miss Bantay. This is to reflect vibrance, resilience, and captivating traits of a modern Ilocana. Here's Miss Bantay, Maiden Cynthia Louise Kate Valoria. Burgos, Ana Marie Marquez Busto. Showcasing a bountiful blessing of Ilocos Sur, Jeffrey Versatile Sales created an Abel Iloco embellished with sequined lining and storm mirror crystals gown for Miss Burgos, Ana Marie Marquez Busto. Kabugao, Karen Nicole Somera. Serving regality with her sleek green serpentine Abel Iloco gown, designed by Johnson Seneca. Here's Miss Kabugao, Karen Nicole Somera. Miss Condon City and Marky Urbano teamed up to show an exquisite Abel Iloco gown that is renowned for its fine texture and rich cultural heritage. Kauwayan, Micaela Shane Quinola. As a strong and empowered woman, Miss Kawayan exhibits a magnificent emerald green gown made by Ian Atendido. Our Miss Kawayan, Micaela Shane Quinola. Cervantes, Shinzen Marinas Damolkis. Miss Cervantes is proud to wear a Maravik Saliganan creation to celebrate the authenticity and liberty of an Ilocana Igorota, a Pride Morena. Miss Cervantes, Shinzen Marinas Damolkis. Kalimuyod, Rhea Stardom Pulay. Miss Galimuyod wears a team-up creation of Iri Walina and Virgilio Gilambo to promote her hometown's astounding hard work, dedicated heart, and bountiful harvest. Miss Galimuyod, Rhea Stardom Pulay. Lidlida, Jelly Joy Anayon. Inspired by a butterfly, Miss Lidlida wants to show the growth of an Ilocana by presenting her Irimolina a Bel Ilocos gown that is embellished with rhinestones and crystals. Miss Lidnida, Jelly Joy Andayon. Magsingan, Raven Aryan Villoria. Paying homage to the lush landscapes and abundant natural beauty of Ilocos Sur is the inspiration behind Miss Magsinga's Ricky Ching gown. She also represents growth, harmony, and prosperity. Miss Magsinga, Raven Aryan Villoria. Nagbukel, Mary Rose Dayan Gabayan. The design behind this Ricky Ching creation for Miss Nagbukel represents the nature's energy. It sparkles with elegance and embodies the idea of transformation and brilliance. Miss Nagbukel, Mary Rose Dayan Gabayan. Narvacan, Jennifer Lopez Hora. Miss Narvacan is wearing a timeless gown by M.L. Aguilar. The Iloco embroidery shows the blend of tradition and contemporary allure of our Miss Narvacan, Jennifer Lopez Hora. Quirino Maybel Gapatan. A unique take. Miss Quirino wears an Erie Molina silhouette mermaid cut gown that has a combination of Abel Iloco fabric and neoprene fabric to represent a modern Ilocana. Miss Quirino Maybel Gapatan. Miss San Esteban features in her Nixon Arenas couture a fish motif that symbolizes her municipality's identity. The lush green and opulent gold palette symbolize abundance and luck. Miss San Esteban, Kate Jasmine Ramirez. San Vicente, Cyril Joy Yu. Representing the main source of livelihood in San Vicente, Miss San Vicente wears a halter A-line gown with fish pond designed by Marvic Salaganan. It is a piece that celebrates confidence, compassion, and a poised woman. Miss San Vicente, Cyril Joy Yu. Santa Kate Jasmine Villarina. Michael Rial is the designer of Miss Santa's gown that showcases the mountains of Santa, that's known as the Sleeping Beauty of the North. It certainly represents the beauty of her people. Miss Santa Kate Jasmine Villarina. Santiago Katrina Marie Bautista. Miss Santiago is inspired by a seaweed named Ararusit or sea grave to pay tribute to all fishermen. Here she is, stunning in a Michael Rial serpentine. Miss Sigay believes that letting go of something can lead to a more fulfilling and fulfilling life. Hence, her Ricky chain gown that has outer layers symbolizes letting go. Here's Miss Sigay, Zanaya Joan Liado. Sinait Marinel Bayani Completo. Stunning in her gay pride of Sinait or Gapos gown, Miss Sinait embodies the spirit of community and collective effort of Sinaiteñans. It symbolizes the verdant lands of the municipal. Miss Sinait Marinel Bayani Completo. Santa Catalina, Ira Gertrude Rapisura. Miss Santa Catalina is inspired by the agricultural sector of Santa Catalina. Wearing a Jan Rialubin gown, she represents growth, renewal, and vitality. Here's Miss Santa Catalina. Santa Lucia Jarlene Acosta. Miss Santa Lucia is equipped with confidence, unique beauty, and passion. She is wearing a marvelous stunning gown from Margaret Ancheta, making her mother and municipal proud. Here's Santa Lucia Jarlene Acosta. Santa Maria Samhaya Fe Espiritu. Showing the green beauty of Santa Maria, she wears a JL Mangay Ayam gown with honor and pride. Here's Santa Maria Samhaya Fe Espiritu. Santo Domingo, Mary Natalie Tabancura. This gown, designed by Kakay Marcos Pakpako, represents a true-blooded Ilocana. A green abel Iloco, representing the hard working of fellow Ilocanos, which represents the color, refreshing tranquil farm. The scattered bead represents the abundance and fertility of the beloved farmers. The cape represents the freedom, power, nobility, legacy, and one culture of our heritage province of Ilocos Sur. Santo Domingo, Mary Natalie Tabancura. Supon, China, Kyla Abroso. Screaming with class and sophistication, Miss Supon is wearing an Alexis Arellano gown to stand out from the crowd. Our Miss Supon, China, Kyla Abroso. Suyo, Althea J. Pukis. Miss Suyo teams up with Onofre Gabatin to showcase her municipality's bountiful riverbanks. Her beauty sparks like the river of life. Miss Suyo, Althea J. Puki. Tagudin, Aurora Barnakea Erno. Miss Tagudin wears a green bell gown by Trisha Garcia to signify a period of positive change and personal growth in her life. Miss Tagudin, Aurora Barnakea Erno. Vegan, Osfrey Sanchez. Exuding charm and youthful growth, Miss Vegan wears corset-type gown by ML Aguilar to show her natural charm. Miss Vegan City, Osprey Sanchez.
What you doing?
Dito naman tayo sa likod para naman makita naman natin sila. Hello? Para sa lahat ng mga nagagandang babae, syempre lahat ng mga candidates, congratulations in advance again. Here's a song from Aerosmith. If you know the song, this is for you guys. I could stay awake just to hear you breathing, watch you smile while you were sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever, and every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure. Don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Lying close to you, feeling your heart beating, and I'm wondering what she's dreaming, wondering if it's me you're seeing. And then I kiss your eyes and thank God we're together. I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss one smile, I don't wanna miss one kiss. I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. I just wanna hold you close, feel your heart so close to mine, and just stay here in this moment for all the rest of time. Don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't want thing. No, we'll never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss. Don't wanna miss a thing. Sana wala akong nakalimutan o nakaligtaan. I love you guys so much. Don't wanna miss a thing. Thank you guys so much. Once again, this is Michael Pangilinan. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the love and support. God bless us all. Thank you.
All right, another round of applause for Mr. Michael Pangilinan. Palakpakan naman natin siya. Kinilig ba kayo? Yan, syempre naman. Michael Pangilinan yan. Grabe talaga yung boses ni Michael Pangilinan. I think, of course, our ladies also had their moment, you know, being serenaded face-to-face with the Michael Pangilinan. Kayo, girls, kinilig ba kayo? Yes.
Hindi lang sila, pati yung mga
Ikaw
tao sa
din.
backstage. Oh, yes.
Oh,
I love him. I love his
Siyempre,
voice.
iba talaga ang boses ni Michael Pangilinan. And of course, that is a treat for all of us, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, at this moment, as we progress through this splendid evening of the Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 pageant, it's time to shine a spotlight on some remarkable talents and qualities showcased by our incredible contestants. We're going to be announcing, partner, the winners of the second batch of our special awards.
First up, we have the award for Best in Talent.
Right. We're going to be calling first Mr. Gerald Montero, partner, to hand in the results of our minor awards. Gerald?
The Best in
Thank you so
Talent, which recognizes a candidate who dazzled us with their exceptional skills and creativity on stage. And the Best in Talent who will receive a sash, a plaque, and 10,000 pesos is... Candidate number 22.
Baterina.
Wow. Alam ko, napaka-talented ng mga taga-Ilocos Sur. I'm not sure kung anong ginawa niyang talent, but congratulations for really becoming a star and getting that particular title. A special award tonight for this young lady. All right, congratulations to you. And of course, at this moment, this time, we're going to be awarding our Miss Articulate, an award bestowed upon the candidate who eloquently expressed herself, captivating us with her words and grace. Our Miss Articulate who will be receiving a sash, a plaque, and 10,000 pesos is Miss or candidate number 21 from Sinaik.
To present the award for Miss Articulate, we have Honorable Art Constantine Wandasan and Honorable Elpidio Quines.
You know, I like that award, Miss Articulate.
Yes.
It means she can speak her mind.
I think parang para sa'yo din yun.
Sana may award na ganun before.
That is right. You deserve it.
Thank you, thank you. All right, all smiles for the camera.
Congratulations.
As we move on, we have the award for Best in Local Costume, celebrating the candidate whose attire best exemplified the beauty and cultural richness of our beloved province. And the Best in Local Costume who will receive a sash, plaque, and 50,000 pesos is... Who do you think it is? It's candidate number 30.
To present the award for Best in Local Costume, we have Honorable Benjamin Magay and Honorable Victor Singson.
Delightful. Congratulations to you. Okay. Now we have the award for ang ganda nito. Best in Swimsuit. Acknowledging the candidate who radiated confidence and charm while showcasing their physique on stage. Who do you think it is? All right, let's find out. The best in Swimsuit who will receive a sash, a plaque, and 10,000 pesos is... Congratulations to contestant number 30, Vegan.
To present the award for Best in Swimsuit, we have Honorable Third Ranches.
Finally, we have the award for Best in Gown. It will be given, or she will be given, to a candidate who epitomized elegance, sophistication in their choice of attire. Yeah. And the Best in Gown who will receive a sash, a plaque, and 10,000 pesos is... Who do you think it is? Once again, it's Vegan City, number 30.
To present the award for Best in Gown, we have Honorable Leopoldo Hirondelia.
Grabe, and the crowd is going wild, ladies and gentlemen. Woo!
Ang daming supporter ni Vegan.
Do that. And just notice.
Hindi lang siya. Lahat ng girls, maraming supporters. So thank you so much for being here tonight, everybody.
That is right. You're just making this extra stellar for everybody with your support. And speaking of stellar, you look beautiful. Mukhang twinning pa tayo tonight.
Oh, we actually did not talk about this. Wearing a blue gown, which I want to thank Francis Libiran for my second gown for tonight.
And of course,
your coat?
Ryan Chris, my designer, also maraming salamat. And congratulations to all the ladies who just got our minor awards tonight. Very well deserved. And again, thank you so much to such a lovely crowd full of energy and enthusiasm. Wow, wow. Oh my gosh, the competition is getting so tough.
Yes.
And I'm so excited for the next part of the program. Now, ladies and gentlemen, after careful deliberation and meticulous evaluation, it's time to unveil the names of our top 15 candidates who secured their spot in the next phase of the competition. Sino sa tingin nyo ang mag-a-advance sa ating top 15? All right, we call back Mr. Gerald Montero to join us on stage to hand us the list of our top 15 candidates. Grabe, exciting to, partner.
Ayan. It's already in our hands for the top 15. Who do you think will be in the top 15 tonight?
Pakisigaw naman! Woo! Ladies, are you ready? Oh my gosh. I mean, we can't be ready so much, but we gotta do this already and give you the results.
Okay. These remarkable ladies have demonstrated outstanding beauty, grace, and talent, earning them a coveted place among the top contenders for the title of Miss Ilocos Sur 2024.
All right, let's get to this. This is serious business, and of course, great job to our panel of judges. I know it's been a tough job getting to find out the 15 ladies because they are all so remarkable. But here we go. You have finally decided into inching closer to the crown already. Okay, eto na. Isa-isahin na natin, partner. The first candidate still in the running for Miss Ilocos Sur is... Congratulations to Vegan City! Wow!
ito. Pero hindi lang yan. Antayin natin yung next top 14. And let's hear for their support.
Ito na nga.
Okay. Your
Let's get
journey to the crown is still ongoing, Miss Sinait.
Miss Sinai, join us right here and claim your spot. I could just imagine how their hearts are pounding right now.
Oh yeah. When you're standing there and waiting for your name or your city or your number to be called, it's nerve-wracking.
Definitely praying for the next spot. We got Santa Lucia. Congratulations, Santa Lucia. I love how diverse the beauties we have on stage is.
Which is really good.
Oh yeah?
Diverse beauty is really good. They're all Filipinos, but they look all diverse.
Do that.
All right, you can now relax and join the top 15. Miss San Vicente.
All right, let's find out who's next and still running on the way to her crown. Congratulations to our candidate from Cervantes.
One spot in the top 15 is for our lovely candidate, Miss Tagudin.
Miss Tagudin, congratulations to you. Join us right here. All right. This once in a lifetime chance to prove yourself for the crown is for Miss Santa Catalina.
Join now in the circle of 15 lovely queens, Miss San Esteban.
All right, your dream of becoming the Miss Ilocos Sur is still on your way, Miss Bantay.
You are still on the running to become the Miss Ilocos Sur, Miss Nagbukil. Nagbukil.
I know it's sometimes tricky to say those names of your places, but I know they're all lovely. And I gotta boast about it because they're all so beautiful. All right. Get ready to slay Q&A because you're still in Miss Candon City.
Another candidate who will prove that she deserves to win is Santo Domingo. Woo. 3 spots left.
All right. So let's go to the third to the last spot. Make way for our next top 15 candidate, and it is Miss San Emilio.
You are one step closer to the crown, Miss Sugpon.
Oh my gosh, now it's getting pretty intense because as you can see, we got a lot of ladies at the back still, but we're down to the last spot. Ladies and gentlemen, Ilocos Surian, who do you think will be getting the final spot in our top 15? Woo. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get to it. The last one that will complete our Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 top 15 is Miss Santiago.
There you go, our top 15 for everybody.
Oh my, congratulations to these ladies, partner. I know they all did a great job. But of course, a round of applause also to those who did well but didn't make it to our top 15. Palakpakan naman natin sila.
Everybody is well deserved.
Oo naman. At saka part, ito lang masasabi ko. For those whose representatives didn't make it to the top 15, let's cheer on because one Ilocos Sur is right here. Nako, ito na. Time to somehow switch your favorites at the moment. Kasi ito na yung top 15 natin eh. Now, this is gonna be a tough time, but it's gonna be an exciting time. Of course, when you are in your own competition, Karen, anong pakiramdam mo? Was there a top 15 in Miss Earth?
Yes, top 15, then top 8, top 4, and then the winner.
Anong pakiramdam? Yung papunta ng top 15. Of course, I would never be able to know that because I haven't joined a competition like that.
It was exhilarating, but when you join a competition, you always need to have the mindset that you can win.
You can win. I
You
love the
can
operative word, can win.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, there's a possibility that you could and you couldn't.
And you will win.
I love that. But I think, always look at the bright side of things. If you don't get in, it's fine. You're already a winner. You amass a lot of experiences while doing so. And while we await for the next part of the program, I would like to acknowledge a couple of people. Let us do partners starting with, and please give them a round of applause. Of course, kasama pa rin natin our Governor Jerry Singson. Palakpakan naman natin. Maraming salamat po for putting this night together, for being such a great father to Ilocos Sur.
And we also have Vice Governor Ryan Luis Singson.
Maraming salamat po to our beloved Vice Governor. Also, a round of applause for SPM Gina Cordero Pe Benito, our chairperson for the Committee of Miss Ilocos Sur, and the other Sangguniang Panlalawigan member. Maraming salamat po, Miss Gina.
Also, we have Provincial Administrator Marlon Tagorda.
Thank you so much, Sir Marlon. And of course, we have our Executive Vice Chair. A big hand for Attorney Jana Singson. Attorney Jana, maraming salamat po. It is such a spectacular night. I mean, everything is perfect now. I mean, my co-hosts are perfect, just like yourself. We got a good panel of judges. The weather is perfect. I love how cold it is in a night like this in Ilocos Sur, in Bigan specifically.
Yeah.
And everything else. I mean, the beauty's right here on stage.
Already.
So, thank you so much for a perfect night, ladies and gentlemen.
All right. Congratulations to our top 15 because our next round is one of the most exhilarating round in every pageant of the competition.
I know. So in terms of preparation, because I know that if you probably during your time would be getting an award, you get this Miss Articulate award, right?
Yeah.
So how do you prepare for this kind of thing? Question and answer. You're given a very limited time. You gotta deliver and give an answer. Paano ba nagpe-prepare pa ganyan?
Actually, you prepare ahead of time. You don't prepare just because you want to enter the competition. So it's important for you to read, to understand, to know. And one of the things I can give you as a tip, never memorize, ever.
All right. I've seen some nods right
Yeah,
here at the
yeah.
back. It seems like they are with you in terms of that kind of suggestion. So, I mean, you could memorize here and there, but I
Yeah.
think parang what I see in competitions and beauty pageants like this is when you touch the hearts of the judges and the people around, diba? Parang yun yung winning answer. Eh.
Correct. Kasi dapat yung heart nararamdaman ng lahat.
Yeah.
It's not just being memorized. It's not about being scripted. It's about saying things from your heart and people can feel it. People can hear it.
And I think that is being a queen also. diba?
Correct,
I mean,
correct.
you
'Cause-
stand by example, you move people
Yeah.
to make things
Yeah.
because you have that commanding feeling in you that you could
Correct.
deliver and make an impact to
Yeah.
the world with it.
Because you're going to be given a platform and you really want to speak your mind because you're going to be a spokesperson for the organization that you're going to win. So you have to make sure that you can speak your mind. You're not just someone just memorizing stuff, you know. You want to be someone who's passionate, committed, and someone who's very articulate of a topic that she wants to share to everybody.
That is right. And I know that our contestants right here are very ready to slay our Q&A. Oh my gosh, are you guys excited? Yes?
There's some nods, yeah.
There's a nod. There's a little shake also.
Yeah.
Siyempre kinakabahan, but it's
Normal,
fine.
yeah.
I know that you're going to be making it. So, of course, let's move on to this part of the program that we are very excited about. All right.
All right,
As
now
you can see,
we have our envelope in the middle because our top 15 has to be ready to be on the next phase, the question and answer portion. Each contestant will have 1 minute to answer a question, and you'll hear a chime when your time is up.
all right. Ilocos Surians, are you ready? Our contestants, are you ready? All right. Let's get this started. Let's dive into this exciting segment and discover the depth and the wisdom, of course, of our top 15 contestants.
Let's start with the first candidate. Let's start with Vegan.
Hello. How about a big hand for Vegan, ladies and gentlemen? This is the time where they actually need your foremost support.
Yes.
Palakasin natin yung loob nila.
Okay, how are you tonight, Miss Vegan?
A little shaking and nervous, but I'm also excited.
You're so okay, which is good. You know, she's nervous at the same time she's excited.
Yeah, it's a matter of energy.
Yes.
How we're going to be channeling it at this moment is the most crucial part. So I think we're going to be picking from this bowl already. Vegan, can you get that and give it to me? And I'll be asking you your question. Miss Vegan, how would you like Ilocos Sur to be? Progressive or peaceful? And why?
I would like Ilocos Sur to be both, to be progressive and peaceful at the same time. Because we all know that Ilocos Sur is getting more progressive time by time, and it is just a matter of respecting the decisions of our government because they are our guidance, or they are our guide and into a more progressive, into a more peaceful society and province, and to be able to become more progressive, we have to cooperate and have. I'm sorry. To become more progressive, we have to cooperate and participate to the. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Miss Vegan. It's tough to be the first one to be called.
It's
Fantastic
true.
job.
And of course, to our audience, we would like to ask for your respect. No one's going to boo anyone. And
Yes,
we just
please.
really appreciate if you can support everyone who's going to speak on stage. You know,
Let
it's not
us do
easy.
that.
It's not easy to answer a
Sure.
question. It's not.
When you're in the moment, you're right here in the middle, the spotlight is on you sometimes. everything is merged in your mind. And it's kind of hard, a tough job, definitely. And of course, it's nice that she mentioned about, you can have both. Why?
Exactly.
Progressive and peaceful.
I was going to say that.
All right, let's call on our next candidate. Could we have Miss Sinait to join us right here? Hi, Miss Sinait. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very grateful and overwhelmed, especially by the support of my hometown province, municipality, Sinait. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming and for supporting me.
All right.
All right.
Please
Miss Sinait,
choose.
please choose a question and please hand it over to my beautiful co-host right there.
Thank you. So this is your question. Listen carefully. If for one day you will be given an hour to help a particular place in Ilocos Sur, where would it be and why?
If I will be given an hour to help a location specifically in Ilocos Sur, I would still choose Vegan City. As an advocate of cultural heritage awareness and a young public servant, I have known the importance of imbibing cultural heritage, not just in our communities, but in the progression of our social transformation. Because we all know that cultural heritage is such an awe-inspiring aspect of our lives. They are able to contribute and give an impact to our national identity, give impact to ourselves and to our community. And giving help to vegan will not just give an opportunity for vegan to be known in the whole Philippines, but also on a global scale. I know that vegan is known globally, but now we should be more progressive and thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Sinait. Of course, such a lovely answer as well. It is vegan because we're one Ilocos Sur, and truly, vegan is world class.
Yeah, everybody. A lot of international people really come here to see vegan.
Yeah, I
A
wish
lot
I
of
could
them.
stay longer because I'll be flying already later because I have another gig in Manila. But nevertheless, vegan, you are beautiful. Up next, could we have Miss Santa Lucia?
All right, you have a lot of supporters tonight. How are you?
Hi.
Actually, I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm so thankful and grateful to be one of the candidates of the Miss Ilocos Sur 2024. And also, thank you to my supporters. Thank you so much.
They are right behind you. We could hear them from here. All right, please grab a question and hand it over to me. Okay, Miss Santa Lucia, here's your question. Should the question and answer portion of the Miss Ilocos Sur pageant be in Iloco? Why?
Thank you. Well, it is also important to respect our dialect and our language as Ilocano. And I think I always believe that we can always use different language in answering question, because I always believe that beauty queen is not just about finding the language that she wants to speak, but I always believe that we can also speak Ilocano in the way what we want. And just like now, I am preferred to speak in English because I am not, I'm not good at Ilocano, but I always believe that answering question can be able to answer in a different languages. And that would be all. Thank you.
Hey, she's saying that language should not be a barrier to the things that you want to say to other people.
True that. Because at the end of the day, especially with social media now, you could go worldwide. And anyways, there's captions sometimes to help you out. As long as you have the heart to really just communicate to the people what you want to say, especially your advocacy, then you're good. Thank you so much, Miss Santa Lucia. Now, could we call our candidate from San Vicente?
All right, Miss San Vicente, are you ready to answer your question?
I am ready.
She's ready. Okay,
Yeah.
pick your question and I'm going to ask it for you.
All right.
Your question is, if you were to discuss a social issue in Ilocos Sur today with a provincial leader, what would it be and why?
what I will discuss with a leader in Ilocos Sur is about health crisis. We all know that as we do our everyday lives, I mean, as we do our daily livings, we tend to compromise our health, and I think it is very important to know what is fundamental so that we can serve our own purpose, and such as, you know, doing a bell, doing empanada. We need to be healthy in order for us to do our purpose or jobs. And I stand here before you with, you know, I am healthy, and if we were healthy, we can live in a world that is warmer and kind, and one Ilocos Sur, one healthy Ilocos Sur. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Health is wealth, for sure. We gotta value that. And we have to make a little something, an effort to be healthier, and of course, live a healthier lifestyle. Thank you so much.
Alam mo ba,
Miss and Vicente.
Jasper, do you guys want a tip how
what's
to
your tip?
answer question and answer?
All right, I love it. More tips from Karen Ibasco herself. Go ahead. You're listening.
Listen carefully. Well, when you prepare for a question and answer, you gotta be prepared. Anything can be asked under the sun. So you gotta learn how to not memorize, to speak your mind, and to relax.
Okay. So I think at this moment, start with relaxing.
Yeah. But actually, you know, being nervous is normal, but do not let nervousness go ahead of you, because no matter how good you are, if your nervousness go ahead of you, you're not going to be able to speak your mind. So you got to learn to be composed.
There you go.
Yeah.
A big hand for Miss Karen Ibasco, ladies and gentlemen. Spoken like a true queen that she is. All right, let's move forward. I hope that helped you out. Let's call on Miss Cervantes. Hi.
Hi.
So, were you able to calm your nerves?
Yeah, because I'm actually very happy.
Perfect. I love that. Giddy, you. Please pick a question. Hand it over to me this time. All right. The question is, should a candidate who lacks support from her family continue to compete in the Miss Ilocos Sur pageant? Why?
Well, I think even though a candidate lacks support from her family, it is, if she wants Miss Ilocos Sur, then go for it. Because when you have the purpose within you, you have something that you are passionate about, nothing should stop you. If your purpose is to inspire and to educate other people what you are passionate about, go for it. Because remember, there should be no limit in achieving your dreams. Thank you.
Delightful.
Thank you. Her word tonight is unstoppable.
Limitless.
Yeah.
Nice one, Miss Cervantes. I love the conviction there. All right. Now, let us hear it from our next candidate from Tagudin.
All right.
Hello, Miss
You look
Tagudin.
ready tonight, Miss Tagudin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pick your question.
Hand it over to my partner over there.
Your question is, if someone is lost in the streets of Ilocos Sur, how will you assure him or her that he or she is at home?
If someone is lost, I will advise him or her to trust God and to thank God, because there's no way you can go when you reach God first. And above all, I want to remind everyone that in everything that we do, we must trust God in everything that we do, so that we will not mislead in our life. And as Miss Ilocos Sur, I want to be an epitome of spirituality in all of us, so that God will prevail in all of us. Thank you.
All right.
All right.
Thank you so much, Miss Tagudin.
Maraming salamat.
God is the way.
True, true. I know, I remembered one more tip when you're answering a question. Make it short and concise. Make it short, concise, but at the same time, you were able to speak your mind. So
Right.
you don't have to necessarily answer in a minute, even less than a minute, but you were
It's fine.
able to express your thoughts Don't make it too worthy. Practice so you can be able to share your thoughts in a very short and concise way, but enough.
Live workshop happening right here.
Live workshop for tonight for free.
Punch on the essential. What is most important? Let's see if they're going to be getting it. This time, let's ask Miss Santa Catalina. Time to apply the tips we're learning right now.
On the spot tips.
Oh yeah, let's go. Please pick a question. All right, hand it over right here. The question is, Miss Santa Catalina, what would an Ilocana change in herself to be successful, and why?
I believe that what an Ilocana must change within herself in order to become successful is the lack of self-esteem. Because going on in these pageants as Ilocana, as everyone can see, we are representing ourselves with confidence, with the sense of purpose in order to serve the people, our advocacies, and the whole of Ilocanja. In order to become successful, you have to get rid of everything that is stopping you, because a true Ilocana is someone who has self-confidence. Thank you so much.
Confidently said. Thank you, Miss Santa Catalina. Very, very important.
Yes. You can't stand in a crown without confidence.
Oh yeah, remove that fear.
Yeah.
And it seems like they have applied already. The
Yes.
things that you've been saying.
Which is good.
I love it. Now, digesting it and making it happen. Okay, let's see what Miss San Esteban will be giving us. Hello, Miss San Esteban.
You're all smiles tonight.
Love
Are you
the smile.
excited?
Are you excited?
I'm kind of nervous, but I know I can do it.
Yes.
Great.
Yes. All right.
You can do it. Mind over matter.
All right.
Pick a question right now. We'll do it little by little, step by step. Don't get ahead of yourself. All right.
Your question is, if there is something not right in Ilocos Sur, what would it be and why?
I think that something that is not right about Ilocos Sur is that how people is being judgmental to other people based on their economic status, based on their race, based on their gender. And I believe that we should eradicate this attitude of Ilocanos, because I know that we can eradicate and diminish this by self-cultivating. Thank you.
Awesome.
All right.
Focus on yourself.
Yes. And
Gotta
not being
start.
judgmental to other people.
That is right. We don't want that. We've got to eliminate that culture. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, San Esteban. Up next, we have Miss Bantay.
All right, Miss Bantay, are you
Let's
ready?
say Miss Bantay is giving me some Catriona vibes here.
Yes, yes. Her eyes. I can see
Oh,
it in
yeah.
her eyes.
Those cat eyes. Please get a question and kindly hand it over to me. All right. Miss Bantay, the question is, do our religious beliefs coupled by our long-standing traditions or helpful in our persevering future, and why? Or I think the question is, are our religious beliefs coupled by our long-standing traditions helpful in our persevering future, and why?
I believe that it is helpful because as Ilocanos, we have been religious since time immemorial. And as Ilocanos, most of us are Roman Catholics. And we have practiced a lot of spiritual beliefs and religious activities, such as worshiping our Apocaridad. And I believe that through our religious beliefs, we can work with our progress towards a future, because preserving our cultural beliefs is essential as Ilocanos of Ilocos Sur. Thank you.
Thank you
All
so
right.
much, Ms. Bantay.
Well said.
Right.
Well said.
Gotta look back to look forward, to move forward, that is.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
of course, you can't just leave your beliefs behind. It's gonna be your guiding light. And of course, up next, we're gonna be calling Miss Nagbukel. Hello,
Alright.
good evening.
All smiles for tonight. Are you excited to answer your question?
Yes, I already prepared about
She's prepared.
She's prepared.
Which is good. The first sip that I gave.
There, she got it. Let's see. Kindly hand it over to Karen.
Your question is, what specific place in Ilocos Sur would you place in the cover of an international magazine and why?
The specific place that I want to cover an international magazine, it would be our municipality, Nagbukel. It has a lot of people. It is the views and the places in our municipality that I really proud of. And I think if just people see the beauty in Nagbukel, it would be a more progressive, and that people will see the beauty in our place. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Miss Nagbukel.
She's just really proud. She wants to see more of her place.
Love your own. Show it to the world. That's how you represent.
Correct.
Thank you so much, Miss Nagbukel. Up next, we have Miss Candon City.
All right, Miss Candon, please choose your question.
All right. Miss Candon. Thank you. Miss Candon, if you were to create another town in Ilocos Sur, how would you name it and why?
Sorry. If I were to create another town in Ilocos Sur, how would I name it and why? I wouldn't be creating another town in Ilocos Sur because Ilocos Sur is perfectly fine, and we are working together as a whole. All municipality are working together as one sound, one voice, one Ilocos Sur. Thank you.
All right.
All right. Napasok talaga niya yung theme ng Ilocos Sur.
Which is perfect. I mean, why fix if it's not broken?
Correct.
Fix it.
And she got the audience,
I love
the approval of the audience.
Now a darling of the crowd. Thank you so much, Miss Candon. Up next, we have Miss Santo Domingo. Look at those pearls.
I love those pearls.
Thank you.
All right. Are you ready?
Ready? Okay. At it.
I love it though when we're about to ask question. Everybody's just quiet.
Yes, dead
Everybody's
silence
all
it is.
ears.
But
All
yeah,
right.
thank you for that.
Yeah. All right, your question is, react to the statement, the Ilocana is a farm girl.
The Ilocana is a farm girl. Yes, Ilocana is a farm girl because we are rich in our agricultural heritage, and we have a lot of farmers, and in our municipality we have a high agricultural, and we are rich in plants and yes, we have a lot of farming resources, and yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Once again, we would like to remind our audience to please respect everybody who's speaking in front.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Thank you so much. Be proud of being a farm girl.
Yes.
Diba?
She mentioned about agricultural heritage, which is true.
True.
Here in Ilocos
Diba?
Sur.
Embrace it. I think that is how you're going to be empowering yourself. All right, up next, can we call on Miss San Emilio? Hi.
Hello.
Are you ready for your question?
Yeah, I'm very ready for this because I prayed to be part of the top 15 to represent my beloved town.
And you are here.
Answered
I'm
prayer.
very grateful.
Okay.
All right, pick your question and make this happen. Kind of over here. Thank you so much. What striking quality sets an Ilocos Surian apart from the rest in the Philippines, and why?
Well, if I could be answer that question, I firmly believe that there's a lot of strength, qualities that an Ilocano people have, but the most important quality that an Ilocano has is their act of bayanihan and their act of hospitality. Because ever since in their locals and their whenever there's tourists, they always show care, love, and they're always welcoming their beloved foreigners or local tourists to be welcome to their place. And I believe that we should be proud of it because this is not just our identity, but this is what makes us more successful in the future by being united to each other for using this hospitable and act of bayanihan. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much.
On the dot.
Oh yeah, she made
finished
sure of
on
it.
the dot. Yeah.
One Ilocos Sur it is, bayanihan
Yes. And
for the win.
Hospitability. That
That's
was
right.
the word.
Coupled with that, and of course, up next we're gonna be calling Miss Sugpon.
Second to the last to answer the question.
Oh yeah, we're almost done. Hi, Miss Sugpon. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous, but I believe that I'm ready to answer the question.
Ready.
Okay. Okay. I love the confidence.
To Karen, please. All right.
Your question is, what value stereotypes an Ilocana, perhaps, I'm going to try to rephrase the question.
All right.
What value stereotypes an Ilocana has and why?
I believe that one Ilocano stereotypes that they have is they're finding their own identity. They are too busy embracing the fast modern technology that they forget where they came from, the tradition and the culture. And I believe that this is important because if we value our culture, we will definitely have a brighter future. And always remember that a true Ilocana doesn't care about the number of likes, but the number of person she inspired with her beauty and wit. Thank you.
Delightful.
Wow. Being true and going back to your roots. Oh, that's just good. All right. Let's call
Okay.
on our last candidate, the last but not the least, Miss
Santiago, please join us right here. Hello there.
Hello po.
What is the feeling that you're the last?
It's really mixed feelings, but at least I got in the top 50.
True that.
Yeah.
Think positive. All right, let's see
There's
what
only
your
one
question
question.
is.
There you go. She's still
The
trying
last
to
one.
mix the bowl.
Oh yeah, there are some other questions hidden over there.
It's outside. It's outside.
It's outside. Yeah. It's optical illusion.
Yes.
But
Okay.
here's your question. We're just making it light for you. If you were to wish something for Ilocos Sur, what would it be and why?
Ilocos Sur has been progressive all over the years, and if I had one wish for Ilocos Sur, it would be the maintenance of being progressive. Yes, we all know that all over the years, it has been very progressive in terms of tourism, economics, agriculture, and anything more. And I believe that I am someone who embody what I have mentioned a while back because as you can see, I am standing here in front of you, not just a beauty queen, but of course, I want to help Ilocos Sur with the problems and issues that the Ilocos Sur is facing. And I am here to advocate for the body positivity and self-image. And with this, I think that I can help to ignite and unite for one Ilocos Sur.
All right.
That's it. That's it for the segment of the top 15 question and an answer.
Wow.
Miss Vigan is a biology student who wants to be a vanguard of change that will create a bigger, great impact for Vigan City. Once again, Vigan. Sinait Marinel by Yani Completo. Miss Sinait is a former SK chairperson and SK Federation PRO of the city of Manila. She's also a medical student. Sinait. Santa Lucia, Jorlyn Acosta. Miss Santa Lucia is an athletic woman who wants to be a police officer and uplift others by being an inspiration. Santa Lucia. San Vicente, Cyril Joyu. Miss San Vicente defies her childhood fear of speaking and standing in front of the public to offer what she learned in her life and her profession as a nurse. San Vicente. Cervantes, Shinzen Marinas Damoquis. Miss Cervantes is a proud Ilocana Igorota who wants to impart indigenous knowledge, systems, and practices for the sake of culture preservation. She's our Miss Cervantes. Cervantes. Tagudin Aurora Barnakea Erno. Miss Tagudin helps her family to improve their livelihood. She continues to help to others by representing her municipality. Tagudin! Santa Catalina, Ira Gertrude Rapisura. Miss Santa Catalina is an aspiring lawyer who wants to have a bigger platform to advocate her cause, agri-tourism. Santa Catalina. San Esteban, Kay Jasmine Ramirez. Miss San Esteban aspired to be the reigning queen to serve selflessly for Ilocos Sur. She is committed to contribute towards the betterment of her beloved province. San Esteban. Bantay. Maiden Cynthia Louise Kate Valoria. Miss Bantay is an aspiring psychologist who wants to make a difference in the society by being a symbol for Ilocos Sur. Bantay! Bukel, Mary Rose Dayan Gabayan. Miss Nagbukel works with government and non-government organizations for Ilocos Sur to inspire young women and exercise leadership. Bukel. Condon, Annalyn Tabutol. Miss Canton is a registered criminologist and criminology instructor. She is committed to community service and be an inspiration for positive change. Canton. Santo Domingo, Mary Natalie Tabancura. Miss Santo Domingo dreams to become a licensed civil engineer and businesswoman. But most of all, she wants to be the voice of hope that may inspire other people to dream too. Santo Domingo. San Emilio, Charmaine Joy Rabino. Miss San Emilio dreams to be a flight attendant, but she also dreams to get the Miss Ilocos crown and to be the voice of the local farmers who is fighting for their rights and welfare. San Emilio. Subon, China Kyla Abroso. Miss Subon wants to represent Ilocos Sur to a national pageant someday, so she can collaborate with local authorities to implement a comprehensive development program. Subon. Santiago, Katrina Marie Bautista. Miss Santiago's advocacy is named #MeFirstMovement. It's a positive self-image through health and wellness in a larger spectrum. Gracing us with her beauty, Miss Santiago. Santiago.
wearing their swimsuit again. Thank you so much, ladies.
Getting very, very close into getting to know who's going to be our Miss Ilocos Sur 2024.
I'm pretty sure the candidates are a little bit nervous but eager to find out if they're inching closer to that prestigious Miss Ilocos Sur crown.
Indeed. And of course, I know you guys are so excited as well. Oh my gosh. So, at this moment, of course, you could see these beautiful ladies. Parang feeling ko sobrang energetic pa rin nila, no? Not really inching away from that energy, pulling through for tonight. So they deserve another round of applause. Ilocos Sur, palakpakan naman natin sila. Oh my gosh, all so beautiful, all so deserving. But ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived a very special moment. Now, after anticipation and deliberation, it's time for us to reveal 5 contestants who will continue on with their journey towards our Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 crown.
Now, there's no denying that these exceptional women have surpassed numerous challenges and showcased their beauty, their grace, and of course, their intellect throughout this competition. Diba?
Super. And of course, at this moment, it's time for us to unveil the names of our top 5 contestants who's going to be vying for our title, Miss Ilocos Sur 2024. May we invite back on stage Sir Gerald Montero from our committee to hand us the magic envelope. This is it.
This is it.
Woo.
We finally have in our hands the top 5 for this year's Miss Ilocos Sur. The question is, Ilocos Surian, sino ang nasa top 5? There you go. That's the energy we're all looking for tonight.
All right. Hindi na namin papatagalin pa. Let's do this. Let's cut to the chase. And of course, we're going to be announcing the first name. Good luck to you, ladies. The first astonishing candidate who's still vying for the coveted title Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 is none other than Miss Cervantes.
Next up, presenting another embodiment of beauty and brains who is still competing for the crown. Take your place, Miss. Take your place, Miss Sugbon.
All right. She's on her unwavering journey towards the Miss Ilocos Sur crown. Another spot is for Miss Bantay. All right.
Next spot. You are on the track to your dream, so walk confidently to the top 5. Miss Santa Catalina.
Woo. Oh my. We got 4 already, partner.
One more, Jasper, one more.
Last one. Could I hear it from our Ilocos Surians? Who do you think will be taking our final spot?
It's really a mix. It's a mix of
For sure.
votes for everyone. But who will it be, Jasper?
All right. Another epitome of excellence and grace. The final candidate completing the prestigious Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 top 5 is Miss Santa Lucia.
There you have it. Congratulations to our our top 5. Of course, we also extend our heartfelt gratitude and congratulations to all of our lovely candidates who did not make it to the final cut. Each of you is a winner in your own right, and you've made all of your representations very, very proud.
Great job to you, ladies.
Great job to everybody tonight.
Woo! Look at this.
Now, Jasper, as we near the pinnacle of our event tonight, it's gonna be very exciting because this segment ahead is another one that we're all looking forward to. It's time for the final question and answer, where each of our top 5 contestants will face one question. You heard it, just one question for everyone.
One question for everybody. And of course, they will be having 1 minute to respond. And when you hear the chime, that means your time is up. The pressure is on as our candidates share their wisdom, their grace, and insight with us. Now, let's continue on this captivating segment and hear from our esteemed top 5 contestants as they tackle the final question. Candidates, headsets on, please.
Making her way right at the center stage, first of our top 5 is Miss Cervantes. Good evening.
Hi. How are you feeling?
I'm very happy, actually. I am finally here.
Yes. All right. And of course, I think you're ready for the question.
Yes.
Let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, we'd like to request for everybody's attention and at the same time your cooperation. Let us allow us to get to read the question and allow them to answer it with silence. And then later on, of course, you could cheer right after. All right? Let's give this moment to them. Your question is, we are presently celebrating the 206th anniversary of the separation of Ilocos Sur from Ilocos Norte by virtue of a Spanish royal decree. What do you think did we learn as a people from the 2 centuries of separation?
I think this separation played an important role, and this separation really fostered and highlighted how unique Ilocos Sur is, that Ilocos Sur is a home that is very diverse and is welcoming, because it is really the diversity of Ilocos Sur that makes it one. And I hope that we further foster this one, and we further raise our flag as an Ilocano. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Cervantes. But that is true. There's diversity, and of course, even if we're different, we are one human race.
Very true to the tagline of Ilocos Sur. One
Ilocos
Ilocos Sur.
Sur.
Despite the diversity, they stand united.
All right. Great job, Miss Cervantes. Up next, could we have Miss Supon?
Good evening, Miss Supon.
Good evening, Mom. Good evening, everyone.
How are you feeling that you are this close to becoming Miss Ilocos Sur when you answer this question?
I'm feeling grateful and also excited to win the crown. Thank you.
Love it. Love the conviction. So let's continue on with your final question. Here is your question. Now, we are presently celebrating the 206th anniversary of the separation of Ilocos Sur from Ilocos Norte by virtue of a Spanish royal decree. What do you think did we learn as people from the 2 centuries of separation?
I believe the unity. We should be vigilant to mandate unity, for I believe that as long as we have each other, there will always be a progress and eventually success. Thank you.
Thank you. Very short, sweet, concise answer. Thank you very much.
Unity it is. All right. Now it's time to call on Miss Bantay. Hello, Miss Bantay.
Hello.
We are super close to finding out who's going to be winning this. How are you feeling?
I'm not really prepared for this because I didn't expect. But I'll never be ready, so I'll just go with the flow.
But it's a good thing. You don't expect anything, but it's given to you right now, so congratulations. All right, your question is, we are presently celebrating the 206th anniversary of the separation of Ilocos Sur from Ilocos Norte by virtue of a Spanish royal decree. What do you think did we learn as a people from the 2 centuries of separation?
I believe since the separation of Ilocos Norte and Ilocos Sur, that we have stand as a strong province, and we have learned to be one, united, towards progress and a prosperity of Ilocos Sur. And I believe together as one, we can achieve a more progressive, diverse, innovative, and inclusive one Ilocos Sur. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. The acknowledgement of inclusivity right there. A tip to that answer.
So powerful. All right. Down to our last 2. Okay, let us call on Miss Santa Catalina.
Hello, Miss Santa Catalina.
Hello.
You still have a very lively crowd of supporters out there. Maybe you wanna, there you go. Maybe you wanna say hi to them to ease your nerves a little bit before going into the final question?
Knowing that Santa Catalina is just a few kilometers from Vegan, I know I have them here. And thank you so much, everyone, to my supporters, my family and friends. Thank you for being here.
We feel them all here, the whole of Santa Catalina. So, for them, here is your final question. We are presently celebrating the 206th anniversary of the separation of Ilocos Sur from Ilocos Norte by virtue of a Spanish royal decree. What do you think did we learn as people from the 2 centuries of separation?
Well, I think the most important thing that we, people from Ilocos Sur, learned from almost 200 years of separation is that we, Ilocosurians, can be independent and that we can stand on our own. And no matter, even if we drifted apart from Ilocos Norte, we are able to preserve our traditions, our natural heritage, and our culture. And as one Ilocos Sur, we united. Because in the end, ubi concordia, ibi victoria. When there is unity, there is victory. Thank you so much.
And the crowd goes wild for Santa Catalina.
That is right. All right, we're left with just one. Ladies and gentlemen, to join us right now is Miss Santa Lucia. Hello, Miss Santa Lucia.
Hello.
What is running in your head right now?
I'm so overwhelmed and yeah, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin ngayong gabi.
Okay, take a deep breath. Compose yourself. But here's a question. We are presently celebrating the 206th anniversary of the separation of Ilocos Sur from Ilocos Norte by virtue of a Spanish royal decree. What do you think did we learn as a people from the 2 centuries of separation?
Thank you. Well, we cannot deny the fact that the 2 province has a rich of culture, history, and natural beauty. But I think that the separation of the 2 provinces, we should not be affected by it. Despite, we should be united as one. We should be work together for us to achieve what we want to achieve in our province. And we have to stand for something, for we all have our opportunity and time. And with that, we can be able to achieve a strong, dynamic, and progressive place to live in. Thank you.
Yet again, the crowd goes wild, Santa Lucia. Maraming salamat. Ladies and gentlemen, another big hand for our top 5 candidates.
I loved hearing that.
Life. This journey healed me, even if I didn't know I needed healing. It taught me that our biggest losses can be our greatest victories. It taught me how to be grateful and faithful. Grateful for all the things that I have, and faithful for all the things that are coming. This journey will not be possible without these people who have guided me throughout this journey. To my Afterglow family, Daddy Josh, Kuya Izan, Mother Robin, and Mother Laika, words are not enough to thank you for all the things that you did for me. Thank you for your passion and love for the arts. Thank you for your life's purpose. I wouldn't be in this stage if it weren't for you. To the local government of Cervantes, headed by Mayor Pablito Benjamin Maggay, and to all Cervanticians, thank you for trusting me to carry the name of our municipality. Thank you for believing in me. Indeed, my greatest honor will always be to be your Miss Cervantes. To my family, thank you for teaching me that life can be tough, but you taught me how to be tougher. You taught me how to be strong yet loving, and to always be humble and kind. You all are my biggest inspiration, and will continue to fight for my dreams for you. To my Papa in heaven, I understand it now that thank you for raising me well. I will never forget the life lessons you taught me and all the beautiful memories that came with it. To the whole Ilocos Sur, thank you for showing me that my pain and grief is valid. Thank you for your kind words and warm love. You became my comfort for these past months. Indeed, I will work hard for my dreams and will always share my success with you. I am Anna Lorraine Valdez, your Miss Ilocos Sur, second runner-up.
Please welcome our Miss Ilocos Sur 2023 first runner-up, Miss Ruth May Fontanilla.
As I stand before you tonight, my heart is filled with a bittersweet mixture of emotions. It feels like just yesterday that I was crowned as your Miss Ilocos Sur 2023 first runner-up. Yet, here we are, marking the end of an incredible chapter in my life. Being your Miss Ilocos Sur 2023 first runner-up has been a privilege and an honor beyond measure. It has allowed me to grow, to learn, and to connect with people from all walks of life in ways I never imagined possible. First and foremost, I thank God for the incredible blessing of giving me this title. God, your grace and guidance have been my strength throughout my journey. With a heart full of thanks, I offer this victory as a testament to your endless goodness and boundless love. To my Mama Marnie, your unwavering support means the world to me. Thank you for believing in me and being my biggest cheerleader as I embark on this journey. I also want to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you who has been a part of this journey. Your unwavering support, encouragement, and love have been the driving force behind every step I've taken during my reign. To the Municipality of Santiago, headed by Mayor Michael Miranda, thank you for believing in me and for allowing me to represent our municipality in this esteemed pageant. To everyone behind this prestigious event, thank you. To my successor, I offer my sincerest congratulations and best wishes as you embark on your journey as the new Miss Ilocos Sur first runner-up. As I bid farewell to this chapter of my life, I carry with me the lessons learned, the friendships forged, and the memories cherished. Though my time as your Miss Ilocos Sur 2023 first runner-up may be coming to an end, my commitment to making a difference in the world remains unwavering. With deepest gratitude and warmest wishes, Ruth May Fontanilla, your Miss Ilocos Sur 2023 first runner-up.
Please welcome our Miss Ilocos Sur Environment, Mika Ezra Tobias.
Today, as I stand before you, filled with gratitude and humility, I am deeply moved as I bid farewell to my role as your Miss Ilocos Sur Environment. This incredible journey has been made possible not just by my own efforts, but by the unwavering support and dedication of so many remarkable individuals who have stood by my side every step of the way. To the committed leaders and officials of Tagudin, headed by Mayor Jun Bersosa, I extend my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation for your unwavering support and dedication to me as Tagudin's representative. To the esteemed officials of Provincial Government of Ilocos Sur, headed by our Governor Jerry Singson, I express my heartfelt gratitude for your visionary guidance and steadfast backing on my journey. To my family, especially Mama Carmen and Mama Connie, whose love and encouragement have been my rock throughout this journey. Thank you for believing in me and for always cheering me on, even during the toughest times. To my fairy godmother, Mother Tricia Garcia, thank you for being there since the start of my pageant journey. Thank you for your passion, for your enthusiasm, and your unwavering commitment since day one. To my Q&A mentors, Kuya Kenneth and Ate Zenny, and to my Pasarela mentor, Mother Jonathan, thank you because you all have guided me with wisdom and grace. To Kuya Edgar, thank you for believing in my potential and for providing me with a platform to amplify my voice. To Mother Rafi, thank you for selflessly dedicating your time and energy throughout my national journey. And to the people of Ilocos Sur, whose warmth and hospitality have made this journey so incredible. Thank you for welcoming me with open arms and for inspiring me with your love for our province. As I pass on the crown to my successor, embrace this role with passion and purpose, using your voice to inspire change, cherish every moment, lead with integrity, and remember the honor and responsibility that comes with your title. To the other candidates, know that your efforts, your passion, and your commitment to your causes have not gone unnoticed. Each one of you has contributed to the beauty and spirit of this competition in your own unique way. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for being a part of this incredible journey. Farewell but not goodbye. Our paths may diverge, but our shared commitment to the environment and to our province will forever unite us. Once again, I am Micah Ezra Tobias, your Miss Ilocos Sur Environment 2023, now signing off.
Please welcome our Miss Ilocos Sur Tourism 2023, Riva Faye Gasatan.
Ilocos Sur, the province that I would cherish for a lifetime. Exactly a year ago, at the very same stage, I have been given the chance as Miss Ilocos Sur Tourism to embark on a remarkable journey to which I ought to protect, preserve, and patronize the culture and tradition of Ilocos Sur. This journey has been nothing short of transformative. It has taken me on a voyage of self-discovery, where I've explored the depths of my character, confronted my fears, and unearthed strengths I never knew existed within me. Through the highs and lows, the triumphs and challenges, I've emerged as a woman transformed, a woman emboldened by her experiences, enriched by her connections, and empowered by her purpose. Throughout this reign, I was nurtured and shaped by the unwavering support of my loved ones, the guidance of my family, and my team. To the Provincial Government of Ilocos Sur, headed by Governor Jerry Singson, thank you for heading an event to the youth to be able to speak out from our own experiences in a way that we might inspire and transform the life of others. To the people of Gregorio del Pilar, headed by Mayor Henry Villar, Representing our municipality is a great privilege and chance to showcase what we can do as people in the indigenous retrospect. I am grateful for your utmost support on this journey. To my greatest inspiration, Mom, Dad, Mama, Revo, Varan, and Joel, thank you for instilling principles and wisdom that I was able to bear and share in this unforgettable milestone. To my team, each smile, each word of encouragement, each shared moment has been a stepping stone on this journey of growth and evolution. To the woman behind my beautiful hair and makeup, Mother Cyril, thank you for giving me your 100 support from makeup looks to styling. There are days that I thought I couldn't do it, but you always make a way to shift the situation positively. To my best friend Mark Lou, you know that I couldn't go in a competition without your pieces of advice. Thank you for the quality time we spent together, from food trip to unusual question and answer session. Also for the perfect photos and captions to support every competition I go. You are a great source of inspiration to me and to your students. To Mother Ja'a, Jewel Alexandria Palacan, if I were to choose a mentor, I would always choose you over and over again. You saw the potential in me, and I could never thank you enough for the efforts and compliments you give me whenever I go up on stage. It's your voice that I always hear amidst the crowd, and I am proud and very thankful for that. This journey has been a profound chapter in my life. As it is said, success is a journey, not a destination. The rain could be over, but still, I would stand to be a beacon of hope, a voice for the voiceless, and a source of inspiration to all who cross my path. And as I prepare to pass on this crown, I do so with a profound sense of gratitude for the lessons learned, the memories made, and the lives touched along the way. But more than that, I do so with sense of anticipation for the new beginnings that await, the opportunities yet to unfold, and the lives waiting to be impacted by the next chapter of this incredible journey. So as I take my final steps down, I do so not with sadness or regret, but with a heart full of love and gratitude. For it is in saying goodbye that we make room for new beginnings, in letting go that we make space for growth, and in embracing change that we truly transform. Thank you from the depths of my soul for allowing me to serve as your Miss Ilocos Sur Tourism. May the lessons learned, the friendships made, and the memories cherished continue to inspire and uplift us all with boundless love and gratitude. Once then, this is Reva Fe Burgos Gasatan, your Miss Ilocos Sur Tourism 2023.
And our Miss Ilocos Sur 2023, Miss Anis Fatma Aziz.
Naimbag nga rabi Ilocandia. Unfortunately, I will not be able to pass my crown tonight as I am currently fighting a battle of my own. I know and surely know that Ilocosurians will understand. Tonight is a great night to celebrate and express gratitude. This precious journey of mine was never possible without the unwavering support and dedication of remarkable people. A leader who has never stepped down and kept supporting his people and their dreams. My heartfelt gratitude to the Provincial Governor Honorable Jerry Mayas, Jerry Singson, and his esteemed officials.
Shukran jazilan. Thank you for always supporting and guiding me throughout my journey. To the Mayor of Vigan City, Honorable Bonito Singson, and his administration, I extend my heartfelt gratitude in choosing me to represent this beloved city. Most especially, our lucky charm, Sir Nestor Pajaro, Ma'am Karen Bakiran, Ma'am Ada Artajos, and to the SP members of Vigan City. Of course, I could never forget the team who put in all their efforts and dedication with love and support in achieving this crown. Mother Baber, Mother Sherwin, Itang, Jonathan, Mother Klong, Ma'am Shinikson, and Mother Jansen. I will never forget all the hardships and memories that we have created. Thank you so much despite the distance we have. To my fairy godmothers, Sir Greggy, Kuya Carlo, Sir Soren, Sir Valdez Alfred, and Sir Richmond, thank you so much for every inch of your genuine love, support, and guidance. To my one and only Gabriel Pipeman, thank you for always being there by my side in every step and choosing to love me even more at my lowest. Yes, I couldn't have achieved this without you and your great efforts. To my friends and family, I will always be grateful for your everlasting support. Lastly, Ilocos Sur, thank you for your endless love and support. To all my dearest candidates, I would love to congratulate and thank you for contributing in making this event successful and putting all your efforts in representing your beloved municipalities. Remember, you have won a battle of bravery tonight. With or without the crown, do not forget to carry our heritage with greatest pride. To all my queens out there, yes, you. Do not ever think that entering a pageant competition is a way of validation to know your worth. I was once in your shoes. Remember, no crown, no money, no title. No title will prove your worth. You do not need these formalities. When you desire, you work hard for it, you achieve it, and taste the reward of your own hard work. No one, remember, no one should tell you who you are. For the last time, this is Anis Fatima Natividad Aziz, your Miss Ilocos Sur 2023, Agyaman na Ilocandia.
All right, Ilocos Sur, the moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. After a night filled with elegance, talent, and grace, it's time to announce the winners of Miss Ilocos Sur 2024.
This is it, but first, let's welcome back our top 5 finalists who have, of course, captivated us with their beauty and intelligence throughout their journey. Each of these remarkable women has left a lasting mark on the stage tonight.
All right. Ilocos Surians, gising pa ba kayo?
Naku, parang yung iba tulog na. Ulitin natin, partner.
One more time. Okay, pag sinabi namin one, you say Ilocos Sur, one! One more time. Konting-konti na lang.
Konti pa. More energy.
Kaya pa yan.
Kaya pa yan. Okay, ito one more time.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
Sabay-sabay tayo. Okay,
Right.
1, 2, 3.
One!
Meron pa. Energy pa.
On the top of their lungs. All right. The ladies are here joining us for this very special moment. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Without further ado, let us proceed with the announcement of our winners.
Ooh.
All right.
I can feel the
Sir
pressure.
Gerald Montero, please do join us right here for the last envelope that we're going to be opening tonight.
It's here, the final results.
Ilocos Surians, who is it going to be?
Come on! Cheer for your bets, Ilocos Surians! Ang hina naman! What LGU? Anong number?
Uy,
Wow!
lakas nun
Nakasagot talaga
Narinig
sila
ko
ng
yun,
number. I
In
love
fairness.
All right. Eto na, huwag na natin patagalin pa. We're going to be beginning with our second runner-up. The Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 second runner-up will receive 100,000 pesos, a sash, and a plaque. Ilocos Surians, our second runner-up is Miss Sugbon.
To present the award for Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 second runner-up, we have Dr. Ken Pipo, Miss Ilocos Sur 2023 second runner-up, and Lorraine Valdez, and the mayor of the winning municipality.
Once again, congratulations to our Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 second runner-up, Miss Sugbon. And now, let's announce the Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 first runner-up. The Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 first runner-up will receive 150,000 pesos, a sash, and a plaque. Ilocos Surians, your first runner-up is... First runner-up is Miss Cervantes.
To present the award for Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 first runner-up, we have Mr. Gas Villones, Miss Gay Gapas, Miss Ilocos Sur 2023 first runner-up, Miss Ruth May Fontanilla, and Mayor of Cervantes.
Congratulations, Miss Cervantes, for being our first runner-up. Now, let's meet our Miss Ilocos Sur Environment 2024. The Miss Ilocos Sur Environment 2024 will receive 200,000 pesos, a sash, and a plaque. Ilocos Surians, our Miss Ilocos Sur Environment 2024 is Pantay!
To present the award for Miss Ilocos Sur Environment 2024, we have Miss Cynthia Tomalia, Miss Ilocos Sur Environment 2023, Mika Ezra Tobia, and Mayor of Bantay.
Ng gabi, no?
Ano, time flies for sure.
And the crowd goes wild.
I love it.
That's
The
true.
energy is back.
I know, they're back.
I know this is their eager anticipation
Oh, yeah.
for our winner tonight, but also in congratulations to our Miss Ilocos Sur Environment as
Parang
well.
mamaya masarap ang tulog nating lahat.
Oo nga.
All right. Then there were two. We have two ladies left. Please go on center stage.
Woo. This is it.
This is all we've been waiting for tonight. Ilocos Sur, behold your final two candidates for Miss Ilocos Sur 2024. Their destinies are poised to shift as one will be crowned Miss Ilocos Sur Tourism 2024, while the other will claim the coveted title of Miss Ilocos Sur 2024.
Miss Ilocos Sur Tourism 2024 will be receiving 250,000 pesos, and Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 will be receiving 300,000 pesos.
Now, we will announce first the Miss Ilocos Sur 2024. Let me ask you, Ilocosurians, who do you think is our new queen? Ilocos Sur 2024, it's...
Let's go.
Santa Catalina!
That means our Miss Ilocos Sur Tourism 2024 is Santa Lucia.
To present the award for Miss Ilocos Sur Tourism 2024, we have Vice Governor Ryan Luis Singson and Mrs. Patch Singson. Luciana Rosa. Miss Ilocos Sur Tourism 2023, Reva Vega Satan. And Mayor of Santa Lucia.
All right, congratulations yet again, Miss Ilocos Sur Tourism 2024. Now, ladies and gentlemen, hail to your Miss Ilocos Sur 2024!
To present the award for Miss Ilocos Sur 2024, we have Miss Beatriz Luigi Gomez, Governor Jeremias Jerry Singson, Mr. George Talumen, Miss Pia Tumalia, and Mayor of Santa Catalina.
Miss Ilocos Sur 2024, you may now have your first walk as Miss Ilocos Sur.
Wow! What a night! Ladies and gentlemen, as the curtains draw to a close on this magnificent evening, we extend our deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us tonight. Your presence added immeasurable joy and excitement in this spectacular event. Maraming salamat po, Ilocos Sur. My name is Jasper Tiongson.
To our contestants, you have showcased the epitome of beauty, grace, and intelligence throughout the competition. And we commend you for your remarkable performances. Ladies and gentlemen, Ilocosurians, I am Angelica Maranan Maglano.
Of course, a heartfelt thank you goes out to all of our esteemed judges, to all of the sponsors, the organizers, and to you who stayed with us until this very moment. Thank you so much for your invaluable contributions in making this event a resounding success. Again, my name is Angelique Manto.
And lastly, to our newly crowned Miss Ilocos Sur 2024 and all our title holders, may your reign be filled with purpose, impact, and unforgettable memories. Thank you once again for being a part of this extraordinary journey. Once again, my name is Karen Ibasco.
Ilocos Sur!
Good night and God bless! We are one Ilocos Sur!